Welcome back to Hyperdrive PK, the ultimate destination for supercar lovers, futuristic machines, and the most powerful automotive beasts on the planet. Today we are diving into one of the most insane Lamborghini creations ever imagined, the breathtaking 2026 Lamborghini Aventador SV. This machine is not just a supercar. It is pure aggression, extreme performance, and Italian engineering pushed beyond limits. The moment the 2026 Aventador SV appears, it completely dominates the road. Lamborghini has transformed this legendary icon into something even more futuristic, more aggressive, and more powerful than ever before. Every angle of this beast screams speed. The low stance, razor-sharp body lines, massive aerodynamic vents, and giant rear wing make it look like a fighter jet designed for the streets. At the front, the Aventador SV carries Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped LED headlights, now redesigned with even sharper futuristic detailing. The front bumper looks incredibly aggressive with large air intakes that improve cooling and aerodynamics. Lamborghini engineers clearly wanted this machine to slice through the air at extreme speeds while still looking absolutely terrifying in the rear-view mirror. As you move along the side profile, the dramatic sculpted lines immediately capture attention. The carbon fiber side skirts, huge air channels, and lightweight forged wheels create a race-inspired appearance that feels straight out of a motorsport championship. Every single detail on this car serves a purpose. Lamborghini has combined beauty with brutal functionality. The rear design is where things become truly insane. The massive active rear wing generates serious downforce while giving the car an unmistakable race car identity. The aggressive diffuser, central exhaust system, and glowing LED taillights create one of the wildest rear profiles ever seen on a Lamborghini. At night, this machine looks like a futuristic predator hunting the streets. Inside the cabin, Lamborghini mixes luxury with pure racing spirit. The cockpit feels completely driver-focused, almost like sitting inside a fighter aircraft. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber surfaces, and advanced digital displays surround the driver in a futuristic environment built for speed and excitement. The steering wheel feels sharp and aggressive while the fully digital instrument cluster delivers real-time performance information with stunning graphics. The seats are lightweight racing-inspired buckets designed to hold the driver perfectly during high-speed cornering. Lamborghini has also upgraded the infotainment system with advanced artificial intelligence features, improved voice controls, and next-generation connectivity. Despite being an extreme supercar, the Aventador SV still delivers premium comfort and cutting-edge technology. Now let's talk about the heart of this monster. Rumors suggest the 2026 Lamborghini Aventador SV could feature an evolved naturally aspirated V12